Today's video is on how to prepare for your hair restoration consult. Well, it's pretty simple. If you would like, we will send you all the necessary paperwork via your email to electronically fill out and bring with you. It's fairly simple. It's what we call the HIPAA, which means everything we talk about is confidential and will never be used or sold to anyone. There's a simple past medical history form that will just let us know about your history and your physical. We'll also have a contact form which will tell us how to contact you in the future. You'll arrive with these documents. You'll be ushered to the back, at which time we will take standardized pictures of your scalp. Then my hair specialist will meet with you for an introductory consultation, take the data down, and then I will come in and examine you for the hair restoration consult. We will look at your needs, your wants, and your desires. We'll then conclude to see if you are a good candidate medically. If you are, and most people are, we'll then have you meet with our concierge. She will go over the prices, financing options if needed, and potential scheduling dates. So, quite a simple process, straightforward, but it's the beginning of the new year, the new you. The hair restoration is for you.